Hello and welcome everyone to this week's edition of Building with Ben. Today I'm creating an applet that will trigger every time a specific user tweets a tweet from their Twitter account, but only if that tweet contains a specific word or words. To do this, I'll be connecting the Twitter account of Elon Musk to the lights in my office so that every time he tweets about a particular subject, my lights will turn off and I'll know to check Twitter. I'll also be adding these tweets to Google Sheets so that if I'm in fact too busy to hop to social media, I can check them later in the day. Before we get started, don't forget, like and subscribe so that you never miss another episode of Building with Ben. Okay, so we're going to start here, the if.com/homepage. We're going to click Create, and we're going to do our if this statement and search for Twitter. And the trigger that we want is new tweet by a specific user. And we're going to type in Elon Musk. Create trigger. We're going to do our then that statement. We're going to click add. And our first action is to turn on our WeMo light switch. Turn off rather. And the one that we want is the office lights. So we're going to click create action. Then we're going to add our filter code and click add filter. Make this a little bigger so we can see. So basically what this is saying is we want to run the applet only if it contains the words Doge, Dogecoin, crypto, coin. I'm even going to add in a couple more. So let's type in or stocks. Or stock without an S. And if you want to recreate this, I will be putting this code in the description below. Just remember that line 2 is where you're going to add or change the words that you want, the keywords that you want to search for. And also line 7 is going to be just copy and paste whatever you see here under actions. So we're going to click create filter. Then we're going to add another action here, and we're going to type in Google Sheets. I want to add row to specific spreadsheet. And I love how user-friendly this is. It's already got this perfectly formatted for me. I don't already have a spreadsheet that's called Tweets by Elon Musk. However, it is going to create one for me. So just to show you what that looks like, this is one I did earlier today. The first column is the date. The second column is the Twitter handle. Third column is the tweet itself. And in the fourth column, just in case you need it, is a link to the tweet on their platform. So we're going to click create action, continue. We're going to name this applet Elon Loves Doge. For more information on regular expression filter code, check out the link above, Pro Tips, Regular Expression and Filter Code by Andy Thackeray. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for Building with Ben.